2019 Camaro SS, 6.2 liter, 6-speed, 20-inch rims. This one is the double SS, so you do have the sunroof. You also got the heads-up display. You got the very nice touch here. It's like high-def mirror. Very clean backup camera. Heated and cold seat. Jump. This one has dual mode exhaust. Really nice rumble. Back, 450 feet of torque, 455 feet of actually horsepower. The new redesigned front end, really mean look LED lights. Really quiet, folks. Doesn't have a whole lot of space in the back seat. It's more of a coupe, and I'm 6'2". The roof is not far from my head. The seat, incredible good lateral support. Oh. You like it, Ricardo?
Oh, yeah.
6.2 liter, she's just sleeping. This one's got 3,600 kilometers.
High on wheels for the love of cars.